What's up guys, Saf here on SuperSaf TV, and look what we have here. This is the Samsung CJ89 super ultra wide curved monitor, and a big thanks to Samsung for sending this over and sponsoring this video. Now there's a few key things about this display, in particular the fact that it's got a 120Hz refresh rate, which is going to be absolutely awesome for gaming. We'll be looking at all of these features in a little bit. Let's get it unboxed. Unboxing knife. So we've got all the bits for the stand. There's a box in here with all of the accessories, DisplayPort cable, USB Type-C cable, a CD-ROM with the user manual, and some paperwork. Right, so they weren't joking when they said this is a super ultra-wide monitor. Almost done, so we're gonna stand this up but before we get outside the box. And I've put the stand here at the back. It was pretty easy to attach. Let's go ahead and do this. Ready for it? And there it is. Whew. Look at that. So the first thing you'll notice is this thing is super ultra wide. It's curved and it's got a 32:10 aspect ratio. That's going to be really immersive for when you're working, gaming, or whatever it is. And for ports, we've got plenty. We've got an HDMI port, display ports, 3 USB Type-C ports, 2 USB Type-A 2.0, 1 USB Type-A 3.0, and also a headphone jack. Right, so let's go ahead and set this up and we can see it in action. Right, we've gone ahead and set this up. Looks pretty dope as you can see, and it is super ultra wide. We're looking at a 32:10 aspect ratio. Think of it as 216:10 displays stacked up side by side, but without a middle bezel. Now because of the curved design, it gives you a panoramic view, takes you right there into the action, and gives you an immersive experience. And with the 120Hz refresh rate, it's ideal for gamers with seamless, smooth scenes, and you can adjust this down to 60Hz for elevated performance. Now, of course, this is not just for gamers. If you're a pro user like me and you do lots of multitasking or maybe some video editing, this is going to be ideal because you can have your whole timeline with all of your different aspects of your project on the screen at once. There's a picture-by-picture function which will let you split your screen in two, and you can connect a second PC, laptop, or mobile device to split the screen and multitask easily. And the KVM Switch allows you to change the source and USB devices at the same time by simply pressing the hotkey. There's also a picture-in-picture function, so no need for a second monitor. You can resize the second image up to 25% of the main screen and position it anywhere. So there we have it guys, that is the Samsung CJ89 43-inch super ultra wide curved monitor. If you want to pick this up or you want to find out more and see the latest pricing and availability, then I'm going to be leaving a link in the description below. What do you guys think of this monitor? Definitely drop me a comment below and let me know. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you did, then do hit that thumbs up button for me. And if you haven't already, then be sure to subscribe and switch on notifications. We've got lots more content coming up on here. Thanks for watching, and thanks to Samsung for sponsoring this video. This is Saf on SuperSaf TV, and I'll see you next time.